Hello, in this video I'm going to compare the quality of different microphones. I'll leave all the links in the description. Skip to this point in the video if you want to hear the test. Right now, let's take a look at this trail. Right now I'm using the PicoGear wireless 2-microphone system, and the setup is left and right. We should be getting a stereo sound. I think this is the best I have and definitely very capable. You can do interviews with that like I did recently. Rode Micro, okay? Let's try it on. Eric vlogging. Got that.
Wants to sit me.
How does it sound? Is it good? Is it bad? I'm gonna switch to this one in a minute.
Make sure you adjust audio levels each time you change the microphone.
We're back on the body mics.
The point of the lapel mic is to pick up just your voice.
So the next one up is gonna be this little guy. I like it because it's very compact when I use the smaller camera with the flippy screen A6600. Ready to check it out? Let's do it. Now we're with the A6600, got that little microphone in. How does it sound?
The lighthouse.
Oh, the lighthouse. If you're gonna see it or not. Oh, it's gonna be blurry. But you can see it right there. That's the lighthouse. Is it gonna focus? Yay! I'm using two cameras. Sony A7iii full frame and the crop APS-C A6600. Both cameras have similar lenses with 1.4 aperture, so you can get this blur. I'm using the ND filters. See, no ND filter. Built-in microphone from Sony A7iii. Whatever that was. How does it sound? Hello!
Hello!
See, we have a lot of leaves on the ground.
Yeah, is the audio picking us up very well as we're picking up the leaves? Or both?
Lapel mics, how does it sound? We have a change of environment. A much more open area, as you can see. Using the Rode microphone. There's some birds flying. I'll leave all the links in the description for all these products that I use today. Oh, take it easy, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this useful. See you in the next one.
Hi.
Wow.
Hi, guys.